We're taking a little break here from filming because I want to talk about a couple of amazing people that I met. I was given a commission to work on an old muzzleloader that was built by this lady's father back in the 70s. This guy is not much older than I am. He's one of the Daniel Boone guys. And he's from the state in the country that if you ironed it out flat, it would be the biggest state in the country, West Virginia. So she sends me this rifle, and there had been a time when it had been run, it had not been cleaned. Family events, whatever happened, the gun got slagged. The inside of the bore was trash by the bore, right? Sends it to me, hoping that I can make her dad happy again and get him back his old gun. And as you can see here, this thing needed help. I don't even know whether or not I've got really high quality photographs of this thing in the before mode, but if I have them, Bruno's flashing them up now. And it's odd because it was a Thompson Center 45, and it was just one of Thompson Center's run-of-the-mill kits. Okay, I have this thing for, God, it was like 2 years. I tried to drill the center out of the barrel, put a liner in it. I was unenamored with the results of that evolution because even a Thompson Center should be able to shoot groups under the size of my head at 50 yards. Didn't happen. Bought him a new barrel. Okay, well now I'm at the point here where bought him a new barrel, and then there was some structural damage because a lot of things hadn't been inletted at all. They were just all bolted on to go out in the field. So we inletted the escutcheons, we fixed all the damage up in the front, fixed all the damage in the back, and removed about a half a pound of wood off this thing. And when I got all the way done with that, I'm like, man, I'm committed. We go full polish, full rust blue. And then there was the day when I stripped the shellac off of this gun, and a piece of super premium curl walnut just came rolling out from underneath that. Well, now I'm really committed, full blown. We bead blasted the brass and didn't put any shellac or any oil or anything on it, so the brass will just turn black again. Bead blasted the barrel. This is a West Virginia hunting gun. This thing has killed some game, and it's going to kill some more. So I set it up so the gun would just turn black and disappear. We did 2 coats of urethane over the wood and then scrapered off the urethane and put 10 hand rub coats of oil over the outside of it. This thing is awesome. So I drove it up to him because it wasn't that far out of my way, and there's no risk. It was cheaper in fuel to drive it to him, and there was no risk involved in shipping it. And I got to tell you what, I met one of the nicest families I have ever met in my natural life. They really extended the welcome wagon to me. They did a lot of things, and I just can't thank them enough. And we go shoot the gun, and we found out how good my sight guesswork was. This guy. All right, here we go. All right, so after 2.5 years of work, a new barrel, and, well, now we can see the wood grain. That's your cue to pull the trigger, bro. Oh, it goes bang and stays in one place. Yeah. You gotta love it. All right, so you're going to try to hit the clanger on the right. Dial it up. Oh, victory. Outstanding. Can't wait for deer season, no? So we're all happy, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Outstanding. 3 times he did that. He whacked that plate. That's crazy. Greatest people I've ever met. Showed me his collection of black walnut. We have plans for that and what we're going to do. But I'm just going to have to say thank you to their family, and Miss Michaela, you are a riot, and I really enjoy associating with you. And guys, just thank you very much, and it was a pleasure as always.